Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, Real Talk with a Realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady. And today, guys, we're going to talk about BFI. People are always throwing around terms. What do they mean? Well, BFI stands for Buyer's Financial Information. And it's actually a 2-page document asking you a bunch of questions about your financial status. And one might say, why do I need to submit this BFI when I have a pre-approval letter? Easy answer. And great question. Pre-approval letter is a document from institution giving you the basics. This is how much you're pre-approved for. This, however, is asking you many questions, such as, where do you work? How long have you been there? How much money do you make? Are you going to live in the house? Are you getting money from, I don't know, a great uncle, a parent, somebody to help you buy the house? Have you declared bankruptcy? I mean, the list goes on. It's 2 pages again. So pre-approval, again, just this is how much you're pre-approved for. This is going to tell the seller more information about you to give them confidence in moving forward with the offer. So guys, that pretty much sums it up. And remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the Agent Lady. Make it a great day.